So now the windows. Up, boom. Which one? Here there is a bit too bright, too much sun, but it's not a problem. I prefer, you see this one is too bright with the sun, this one is more subtle. Here, I don't care, I will create this middle things here. Oh yes, and with cube will be great too. Okay, so this cube, I don't know, there is no else. I will create my cube here. So try to match as best as possible the scale. In firstly here, boom, in boom, here, match this, but most important, not this guy, you need to match the filling here. So, okay, also, for example, something not too heavy, I will delete this guy here. I will create little bevel. I will apply, of course, my texture. Boom, projection. You see it's pretty quick. In fact, after I will create this one right. Well, because after I will use this cube brick a lot. So come here, boom, cut. Okay, and now if it will be here and create a little overlapping. I don't even need to place the texture, you see. I know, I understand the technique, so I know how it's working. For fix the thing, it's always the same thing. Boom, unfold, does that works? Yes, of course. And now I have my nice cube here. I can come and place it if I want. I choose. So the length is not the same. So I will make it here and here. Boom. I want to have. You can modify. You see this nice dirt edge on the bottom, and boom. Look, we have a top bottom gradient, dark edge, everything is here. It's really, really powerful. Just want to avoid this dark edge too much. Nice, perfect. Perfect. Yes, this piece. I will create this one now. So yes, at the beginning, need to create some piece, as I said, but it's okay. Why not to start with a plane, simple plane? No, just on the axis. Yes. Okay, come here, boom. This one will be a bit more difficult. Okay, anti-break, bit skinny. Okay, now I just place the scale. I understand how the piece is built, and I will just design that. Okay, so it just, see, you can even measure here. Okay, and in fact, it's just that. Here I will create this, and here I need to create this. And this is really interesting piece. Yes. I'm okay. come here, make our nice bevel, and we have our piece. Boom. Now unfolding will be maybe a bit harder because of this guy. I don't know how to deal that correctly. Maybe we will do something. What if we just scale that a bit like that, for example? Now, yes, in front is more interesting for us. And maybe for UV too. Okay, let's place this one. In fact, here I'm too precise. We don't need to have so much detail and take so time because we don't have so much time. So let's say it's this one. Before to place, I will unfold. Whoa, okay. It's not what I expected. But why not? Just maybe make a cut here. The same here. Okay. Here, and unfold better. Nice. Now you understand why you need a nice image reference with a decent resolution to don't have too much ugly texture, of course. Okay, if I do that, look, it's working. It's working. The most important is, look, the gradient and the link between all. But I'm not sure it's really what. Where is this face? Okay, this face is here. No, it's okay. Or maybe it's not the best way to do that. I don't know. Anyway, it's okay for me. Yes, just need that. Boom. Great. Then where is my... Okay, this is here. You will need to well place your element, of course, like that. And now I can duplicate. For example, here, just Control D. No, I will do that after. I will finish my window first. So just Control D, place this guy here. there is a strange things. Ah no, because UV. Sorry, it's me. I think it was a UV. No. And this one will be this one. Same thing. Verify. That works. Not too bad. It's okay. Now just duplicate this brick for the bottom and we have our windows. Oh, be careful first to make a center pivot, the lattice story and freeze transform. When you finish, it will be easier to manipulate. Come here, I know this guy I want on it on the bottom. Same shit here. Boom, boom. And place, alors be careful because it's not this one, it's this one. But in fact, we need something half, quite more like that here. So don't be too careful about things sometimes. You see just a scale, just your first, the most important thing is that you need to be quick. Okay, not too much precise looks, that works, it's okay, I'm happy. Boom. I have the border and this one, what the fuck? Okay, this one and this one are the same. Maybe don't at the same level, but more something like that. Then after we are the inner. Okay, same thing for the inner. I will just make with I don't know, with simple cube. That will be okay. Okay, the idea is to be quick. So yeah, but this window, oh, in fact, is not what I'm expected. It's open, etc. Oh fuck. Oh, I will make it more simple than what we are. Or why not? Because here it's open windows. It seems it's strange. But I want something that keeps us simple. I don't know. First, create my inner windows here. Perfect. And I will see after what I'm doing with that. Then here I need a little guy. Here. So this, it's this. Okay. Here, be careful at something. When you want to scale, for example, I want this to be here, and don't scale with that. I prefer to don't destroy the bevel, to just translate directly. Okay, I translate here, here, and I keep the same bevel everywhere. Okay, I don't destroy. Select that and make something thinner. Here, I don't exactly do the same. It's not the idea. I just try to make a nice complex windows. You see, with different depths, etc. It's just what I want, nothing more. So this is the inner, and you see here we will have occlusion, shadow. That will be great at the end. Now that is done, I need to center pivot. Where is, okay, this is the top. It's what I'm looking for. Okay, so I place it, and same thing here with the top. This is fucking boring, but in Photoshop after we will fix that. It's not a problem. Don't care about that here. This glass, if we don't want, in Photoshop we fix, we update, and boom, it's done. And now look, I have my inner windows here. Oh no, I need to duplicate this guy on the other side. You see, it's really simple. In fact, when you understand the workflow, no big problem. And boom, look. Of course, now I will select that, which is my windows. I will group and play with the depth. So inner or outer, I will make it a bit inner for a better lighting occlusion. And I have a windows. Nice. If I here, look. So I think I have everything. I will not make. Oh yes, I can do the wall, but I don't know. No, it's not the idea. I will finish with the wall and the glasses. For the Windows glasses, as it's not the same, okay, lighting, place, etc. I will just come here. In Photoshop, and you understand, I will try to match a bit more the feeling here. Okay, just a bit. I don't know if that is necessary. For example, oh, not you. I want you to be affected. Yes, you see something more dark. Yes, it's already better. Maybe less blue. So something, your saturation, something more gray. Like that, and it's already better. Oh yes, it's in French, but I hope you know a bit Photoshop. And now look. Just some second, but that will match quite better. Or lighting here, okay. So delete that. Here I override this, thanks. And now let's make something really complicated. Let's create a plane. Boom, and match. Yeah, not need to need perfect, okay, need to be quick, and it's okay. It's inner, but we don't care about. No thickness, nothing, just be. The most important, one more time, is the Z, okay, the depth. Look, it's that will create realism. Okay, this depth. Now create, of course, a new shader. Why not a blend? Can be interesting. File, boom, boom. Open that. Now, okay, the blend is not really great. In fact, just turn that off for now. And just choose a window. And same thing, direct texturing. You can add the dark border to create this little occlusion that will help to integrate the glass. And that seems to work. What do you think? So, okay, it's a bit too dark, so I will come here and try to so something less dark. Just come here, JPEG, hit OK, and boom, it will update in Maya automatically. So you see, Photoshop texturing can be great. Okay, it's better, and now I'm happy. Something else? No. So now I will save that, of course. This is my in Windows, in which I will make my glass. Okay, because the great things here, I will add a bit more depth, because you see here is too tiny. Why not exaggerate a bit like that? I will place the pivot of this guy here, and why not, instead of having everything like that, why not to do that? In fact, that works pretty well here. It's a nice idea, not too much, just a bit, to have a different lighting condition. Then we have yes, be careful here. Yes, to don't have this kind of okay, sorry. Yes, I will finish here with the out windows, etc. And both are the windows. And I will just scale a bit the window to match here. Yes. And I also want to play with my outer to add some volume, but not too much, like that. The in windows, it's okay for this one. And to finish this sheet, just create a black box. Okay, nothing more simple. I will call that black box. Make it in the in window. Thin Alhambra black. And now you see it's better. Okay. Let's create a light to see what's happened. If I create an environment, I will switch to better, like I think this sky can be great. Of course, activate here. Yes, this is too yellow, so the sky is great. Nice. And you can find nice shadow and see, even if there is already a lighting, thanks to your volume, your modeling, you can create your own lighting. It's great with that, because after we will create our lighting. And that add, of course, a bit of light. I don't need that. So here the lighting, no, that is not the play. It's just for fun, but it's not really, you see, necessary. It's just to look at, but if we look here, you see that works. Interesting. But be careful when you, well, no, be careful, there is no problem. Then voila. Then you have one block, duplicate, and I think you understand the deal. You see, just play with, here you just come here, you just do that, and you change the window. Look how this technique is great. Then what can I show you? Yes. I will duplicate again. I will come here. Oh, that match. Why that match? Because we are with this. Don't know here. Maybe do something. Here it's just for finish the example. It's not necessary to do that. But look, just that. It's like in video game. And I want to make something, yes. Just select, for example, this guy. Boom, come here. Oh yes, I need to be in local, it's okay. And come here. And after you can play with and create. See? Boom. Look how powerful is that. Of course, here you can adjust the texture to not have replication because we have the place. So just do that. Here I don't want because I want to keep the same, so it's okay, but you can, why not, scale or, you know. We don't even see the replication, in fact, because there is so much detail already that we don't see, but look. And I will select this one, duplicate, flip, and voila. This one I will make it this texture to match. This one it's a bit more complicated. What if I come here and make that? It's strange. That don't really work for this guy, so I will keep it like that. Okay. Maybe this, I need something more. You don't need to match the perfect. I just be careful about tone, okay? About luminosity. You see here, it's more about the luminosity, but it's maybe not a good idea. I don't know. Maybe here. It's the same thing. Okay. You understand. Now, just for fun, we will create the wall just to finish this little asset. After we will transpose, but I want to be focused that in order that you quickly understand the result. So this is boring. I need to hide that. For the wall, there is nothing more than, of course, a plane with a hole in, but I will just make the plane Simple than that. Voila, it's all. With here, of course, I apply texture. I came here. And yes, I need to match, you see, the border here. For example, in fact, you need to be smart on everything. Here, there is shadow. If I don't want the shadow, here you see there is a fake shadow, and here's a real shadow. It's you to... So I will remove the shadow just with UV. And here, look, my shadow here on the texture. And on the other side, same thing, I need to have a bit more like that. Okay, then of course you understand that we need to create a hole. Boom. It's done, nothing more. This metal bar now. So it's repetitive, but the final look is really, it's really good. So yeah, be careful when it's not very straight. I will keep it straight or not, just like that. As always, important thing is the 3D filling. So yeah, I just want to keep that. And I just want to make a nice bevel here. Now come here, do that, unfold, nice. Apply raw texture and placed. So here I'm not good. I will select that and just, yes. Perfect. And voila. Nice. See, with without the lighting. And yes, that should work. That seems to be nice. We replicate this.